Hello and welcome to English R&L, where you train your ears, your voice, and your mind to think in English faster than ever before. Today, we're starting a special series that will transform how you listen, speak, and understand English in just 20 minutes a day. If you've been struggling with slow progress, confusing grammar, or difficulty understanding native speakers, this is for you. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical. Step 1. Prepare your mind before learning. Before you touch a book, a video, or a podcast, you need the right mindset. Imagine you're about to learn to swim. You wouldn't jump into deep water if you didn't know how to float, right? Learning English is the same. You first prepare your mind to be open, alert, and focused. Here's what to do. Tell yourself, I'm not here to be perfect. I'm here to improve. Relax your body. Sit comfortably, shoulders loose, jaw relaxed. Set a goal for today. For example, I will understand 5 new sentences and pronounce them clearly. Step 2. Train your ears. First, if you want to understand English fast, you must hear it before you can say it. Think about how babies learn. They listen for months before speaking. Here's a 3-minute ear training routine. Listen once, without reading. Just focus on the sound and rhythm. Listen again, and notice key words. Don't try to catch every word. Repeat aloud exactly as you hear, even if you don't understand every single term. Example, audio. I'm heading out to grab some coffee. Want to join? You repeat. I'm heading out to grab some coffee. Want to join? Matching, speed, tone, and stress. Step 3. Pronunciation. Shape the sounds. Pronunciation is not about speaking slowly and perfectly. It's about sounding natural. The fastest way to improve is shadowing. Play a short English sentence. Speak at the same time as the audio copy, every sound, pause, and intonation. Record yourself and compare with the original. Focus on word stress. For example, table not table. Connected speech. Want to gives, want ending sounds. Don't drop them. They carry meaning. Step 4. Read with your ears. Reading in English isn't just for your eyes. Use your ears too. Choose a short text with audio, podcast, transcript, audiobook. Listen while reading to connect sound and spelling. Pause after each sentence and repeat it. Step 5. Think in English. This is where speed comes in. Stop translating everything into your language. It slows you down. Start with simple self-talk. When you see coffee, I need coffee. When it's raining, it's raining. I'll take an umbrella. Do this daily, even in your head. Transition to part 2. By the end of part 1, you've prepared your mind, trained your ears, practiced pronunciation, read with your ears, and started thinking in English. In part 2, we'll go deeper. I'll give you real conversation mini-scripts to practice daily so you can respond instantly, like a native speaker. Why mini-scripts work. Mini-scripts are short, repeatable conversations that help you understand native speed. Remember natural expressions, respond automatically without thinking too long. Well, practice them in 3 steps. Listen, don't read yet, just hear it. Repeat, copy the tone, speed, and stress. Respond, answer naturally, without pausing too much. Daily conversation. Examples 1. At a coffee shop. A. Hi, can I get a medium latte, please? B. Sure. Anything else? A. Yes, a blueberry muffin. B. Got it. That'll be $5.50. Your practice. Repeat the whole script until it's smooth. Swap words. Medium latte gives iced coffee. Blueberry muffin gives croissant too. Asking for directions. Excuse me, How do I get to the train station? B. Go straight, then turn left at the traffic lights. A. Thanks a lot. B. No problem. Your practice. Change location. Train station gives bus stop, museum, library. Practice answering. Sorry, I'm not sure. 3. Talking about the weather. A. It's freezing today. B. Yeah, winter came early this year. A. I wish it was summer. B. Me too. Your practice. Replace freezing with boiling hot, windy, raining heavily. Practice adding feelings. I love this weather. I hate cold mornings. 4. Making plans. Are you free this weekend? B. Yes, what's up? A. Let's go hiking. B. Sounds great. Your practice. Change activity. Go hiking, gives watch a movie, visit the market, have dinner together. Try saying sorry. I already have plans. Quick tip. Respond in under 2 seconds. When someone speaks to you, try to answer within 2 seconds. Even if your sentence is short, it keeps the conversation alive. Sure. Not really. Let's do it. Transition to part 3. Now that you've practiced listening, repeating, and responding in real-life situations, part 3 will teach you how to catch fast English in movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos, so you can understand even when people speak quickly. Asterisk. Step 1. Why fast English feels impossible when native speakers talk quickly. They do 3 things that confuse learners. Connected speech, words, joined together. What are you doing? Gives what you're doing. Dropped sounds, some sounds disappear. Next day gives next day reduced forms, shortened phrases. Going to gives gonna. If you don't know these patterns, your brain tries to find each word separately, and you get lost. Step 2. The 3-pass listening method, where going to use 3 passes when watching movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos. Pass 1. Listen without subtitles. Just relax and listen. Focus on tone, rhythm, and emotion. Don't try to understand every word. Pass 2. Listen with subtitles. This is where you match sound with text. Notice where words are connected or reduced. Pass 3. Listen without subtitles again. Now your ears will catch much more. Repeat key sentences out loud. Step 3. Examples from real English. I'll give you some real-life examples from movies, TV, and YouTube. Example 1. From Friends TV show original script. Could you pass me the salt? What? You hear, could ya pass me salt? Practice. Say it slowly. Could you pass me the salt? Say it fast, like the show. Could you pass me salt? Record yourself and compare. Example 2. From a YouTube vlog original. I'm going to head out now and grab some lunch. Fast speech. I'm gonna head out and grab some lunch. Notice, going to gives gonna out and gives out. In example 3 from Avengers movie original. We've got to move fast. Fast speech. We gotta move fast. Practice shadowing. Play the line. Speak at the same time as the actor. Match their speed, stress, and even emotion. Step 4. Slow it down. Then speed it up. If the clip is too fast, use YouTube speed control. Start at 0.75x speed. Repeat the line until it's clear. Then return to normal speed to test your ears. Step 5. Daily 10-minute movie drill. Pick a 1 to 2 minute scene from a movie or vlog. Do the 3-pass listening. Shadow 3 to 5 sentences until they feel natural. Use those sentences in your own life the same day. Transition to part 4. Now you can catch fast English from movies, TV, and YouTube. In part 4, we'll focus on thinking in English all day long, so you don't just understand English. You live in English. Step 1. Why thinking in English changes everything if you still translate every word in your head. 3 bad things happen. You speak slowly. Your brain needs extra time to find words. You miss the conversation. While translating, the other person keeps talking. You lose natural expressions. English has phrases that don't work in other languages. When you think in English, words come naturally, and your brain starts working like a native speaker's. Brain. Step 2. Start small. 1 sentence thoughts. You don't have to think in English all day right away. Start with 1 sentence thoughts during your daily life. When you wake up, I'm so tired, I need coffee. When cooking, I'm boiling the pasta now. When walking, the weather is perfect today. The key: say it in English first, even if it's simple. Step 3. Use the say technique. This is a fun game you can play anytime. See something around you. Say its name or describe it in English immediately. Examples: see a dog gives, that dog is so cute. See a book gives, I haven't read that book yet. See rain gives, it's raining. I should take my umbrella. The faster you say it, the faster your brain connects thoughts to English. Step 4. Narrate your actions. Pretend you're the narrator of your own life. As you do things, describe them in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making fried rice. I'm opening the window to get some fresh air. This helps you learn everyday verbs and sentences without studying a list. Step 5. Answer your own questions throughout the day. Ask yourself simple questions in English and answer them. In English, Q. What should I eat for lunch? A. Maybe I'll make a sandwich. Q. Why am I so tired? A. Because I stayed up too late. This creates mini conversations in your head, training you to respond quickly. Step 6. Upgrade vocabulary while thinking. When you can't find a word in English, describe it in English instead of translating. Example: you forget, umbrella gives, say the thing I use when it rains. Later, check the real word and add it to your vocabulary. Step 7. The 1 hour English Zone Challenge. Pick 1 hour each day when you only allow English in your mind. No translating, no switching languages. If you don't know something, describe it with other English words. Example: instead of, I don't know how to say this in your native language, say, I don't know the exact word, but it's like. Daily 5-minute thinking practice. Look around your room. Describe 3 things in English. Think about yesterday. Say 3 sentences about what you did. Imagine tomorrow. Say 3 sentences about what you will do. This isn't boring textbook study. This is fast, fun, and proven to work because it's the same way children, actors, and even professional interpreters train. Minute 1 to 5, ear activation. Choose a 1 to 2 minute audio or video clip. Movie, scene, vlog, podcast. Pass 1. Listen without subtitles, just feel the rhythm. Pass 2. Listen with subtitles, spot connected speech. Pass 3. Listen without subtitles again. Now repeat after the speaker. Minute 6 to 10, shadowing, power pick. 3 to 5 sentences from your clip. Play and speak at the same time as the audio. Focus on speed, stress, and emotion. Don't stop. For mistakes, record yourself and compare to the original. Minute 11 to 15. Think and speak drill. Look around you and describe 3 things in English. Recall yesterday and say 3 sentences about what you did. Imagine tomorrow and say 3 sentences about your plans. Do this without translating. Minute 16 to 18. Real life miniscript. Choose a short conversation like in part 2. Act it out. Alone or with a friend. Swap words to make new versions. Example: Coffee shop gives bookstore. Muffin gives magazine. Minute 19 to 20. Quick review and motivation. Repeat your favorite sentence from today 3 times at natural speed. Tell yourself, I'm better than yesterday, and tomorrow I'll be better than today. Smile. Yes, smiling makes you speak more clearly. Extra tip. If you have more time, do a second round in the evening with new material. Your brain loves short, frequent training more than long, exhausting study. Transition to part 6. You now have a complete system. But before we finish, part 6 will give you the final push, the message that will keep you learning and growing every single day. Part 6. Final words and your English journey ahead. Opening line. We've reached the end of this journey together. But in reality, this is just your beginning. You've learned how to prepare your mind and ears. Part 1. How to use mini-scripts for daily fluency. Part 2. How to catch fast English from real media. Part 3. How to think in English all day. Part 4. How to train every day in just 20 minutes. Part 5. Now, here's the truth. Fluency is not about talent. It's about consistency, showing up every day. Even for just 20 minutes, my challenge to you starting tomorrow. Pick a time you will train daily. No excuses. Follow the 20-minute plan exactly. Keep a notebook of your progress. Even 1 sentence a day is progress. Remember this: every time you listen, your ears get sharper. Every time you speak, your mouth gets faster. Every time you think in English, your brain gets stronger. Small steps daily gives big results forever. Closing motivation. If you watch this video again in 30 days, you won't believe how much better you've become. So keep going. Your future English-speaking self is waiting for you, and they're smiling. This is English R&L, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep shining. We've reached the end of this journey together. But in reality, this is just your beginning. You've learned how to prepare your mind and ears. Part 1. How to use mini-scripts for daily fluency. Part 2. How to catch fast English from real media. Part 3. How to think in English all day. Part 4. How to train every day in just 20 minutes. Part 5. Now, here's the truth. Fluency is not about talent. It's about consistency, showing up every day. Even for just 20 minutes, my challenge to you starting tomorrow. Pick a time you will train daily. No excuses. Follow the 20-minute plan exactly. Keep a notebook of your progress. Even 1 sentence a day is progress. Remember this: every time you listen, your ears get sharper. Every time you speak, your mouth gets faster. Every time you think in English, your brain gets stronger. Small steps daily gives big results forever. Closing motivation. If you watch this video again in 30 days, you won't believe how much better you've become. So keep going. Your future English-speaking self is waiting for you, and they're smiling. Thank you for joining me on this 6-part journey here at English R&L. You now have the tools, the plan, and the mindset to master English faster than you ever thought possible. Now, it's your turn. Go out there, listen more, speak more, and think in English every single day. Remember, English is not just a language you study. It's a skill you live. This is English R&L. I'm proud of you, and I can't wait to see how far you go. Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep shining.